My name is Kieran Clinch. I'm Systems and Production Manager at Joloda Hydraroll. We design, manufacture and install loading and unloading systems for FMCGs and air cargo businesses all around the world. My primary experience with Access's products is with Access FactoryMaster and Access Orchestrate. So as part of my current role, I supervise and manage the planning for our two manufacturing facilities in the UK, for which that's primarily what we use FactoryMaster for. Alongside that, I've also used the Teamseer and Financials packages, launching those in the last year or so. It benefits our company because it gives us all one focal point to work from. We're all looking at the same information, we're all doing the same things no matter where we're located in the country or broader sense in the world. It means we can all look at the same things at the same time and helps us make better decisions. I definitely recommend the Access products that we use. I think the benefit of the Access products that we have is they're quite intuitive, they're not difficult to train people on, and they're easy for implementation and ongoing use. As I already mentioned, it lets us all work from the same page, and I would definitely recommend it for a manufacturing firm of our size because it allows a lot of information to be easily accessible.